Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this Lego playset. So it's kind of different, so we can make whatever we like. We can choose so we can choose if we want to make the claw, make a classic catapult, and a spin o vision guzzler, rolling Rex, so we can make whatever we like. Okay. And we have some Lego pieces here, so let's open them. Oh yeah, one more thing, that at the end of the page, so we might can use like some stickers for like yeah, like you can see. Let's open it. Okay, I think I got it now. It's quite hard to open it actually. Okay, we have our packaging here. Oh, good, a lot of stuff. Okay, I think I want to make the classic catapult. This one. Okay, it's on page 12. Classic catapult. So it says go on this page. Okay, so right. Okay, so we're just going to this off. Just this off. It looks like a Viking, guys. It kind of looks like a Viking. Okay. Here it is, and these, I think these are hands. Lines all around the pieces and fold the sides away from you. Okay, let's do it. Oh, I've forgotten this piece. I don't really know how we really what we can put in there. this, but I think we can put whatever we want in this on a this catapult. Yes. Oh. Yes. Oh.